massaging, what are you doing? You're sending energy. You are working towards it physically and metaphysically. You're saying, all right, I'm working on you. Energy channels open up. So you start massaging yourself here. All right? Activating your brain, and at the same time, you start pushing it a little downward. So first you do a cyclic massage, and then you push it downward, and you're telling your acid to move in. Okay? And then what can you do? You can use green seeds, you can even massage, and you can even put flax seeds. Yes?
But you said this is for lungs, right?
Yes.
You just mentioned that this part is for lungs,
Okay.
left and right.
I'll tell you what happens. You're right. Now when we say this is the diaphragm, our tummy is right below the diaphragm. In fact, it pushes up our lungs a little bit. That is why when we're too bloated up, we are unable to breathe in properly. Now our body, of course, is vertical. So every organ has had inadequate space to fit in. But when we are trying to transpose that on our palm, some of the organs will overlap. As they do over here also. Three-dimensionally, if I were to open my body, you would see that a lot of organs are overlapping each other. So this is where, see, the esophagus ends right here, and then there is a kind of a curve over here. The bulge right below your mount of Venus. This thick portion right below the mount of Venus, this is where your tummy starts. Okay, so when it is belching, it is coming up. So that is why you have to massage it here and then push it to planes. Do you get that? Okay? And then once the tummy, it's like a sigmoid curve. The tummy has a kind of an S kind of a back pouch. याद है पुराने ज़माने में वो question mark की तरह है. याद है पुराने ज़माने में हम लोग पानी लेके जाते थे लेदर के उसपे. राजस्थान वगैरह में बहुत यूज़ होता था छागल, है ना? उसी तरीके से. और उस छागल की एक ट्यूब भी नीचे निकलती है. And when it forms a network, huge route. You know how big is the small intestine and why is it called small intestine?
It's very narrow.
Yeah, the lumen. Now, everything is proportional in our body. So the lumen of the small intestine is the tip of your forefinger touching the base of your thumb. So it will vary for every individual depending on the length of their phalanges. Do you get that? Okay? So now you know. But it is also 4 times your height. So if I'm 5 feet, my small intestine is roughly 20 feet. Oof, that's a big pipe coiled in inside. So can you imagine how tightly it has been coiled in? Right? So naturally it's going to give trouble at times. You're filling it in, there's lack of space, everything is curled in, the movement has been restricted, or there's been too much traffic, like Ring Road being overchoked these days. So this clover leaf and ring road of ours has also been overchoked. Okay? So we need to relax it. We can't take it out and say, we can't do that. So we have to do it over here. Alright, so then you clear all the traffic over here. You use flax seeds, you use methi seeds, you use buckwheat, kutuki beet. They are terrific for your digestive system. Not only for eating, but also, in fact, whatever you use for your eating, for healthy eating, can also be used here. Is that clear? Okay? So, then you massage that. Then after the small intestine, where we, apart from the length, we also have inward structures which are finger-like projections called villi. A small intestine has inner curves, alright? That increases the area for digestion and absorption. Alright? This is where everything will be digested. Now it takes almost 2 hours for the tummy to properly clear out. So when I say frequent meals, I don't mean half an hour. Frequency. Right? Please bear that in mind that I mean at least give 2 hours. Yeah. Okay? Before you fill in with something else. Of course, you can keep taking fluids in between, but apart from that. Alright? And then for the large intestine, small intestine to clear it takes good about 6 to 8 hours. Again. Alright? So bear with that. Okay? Give it that much of time to start working. Then finally it moves on to the large intestine, which has again an ascending colon, a transverse colon, a descending colon, and then the rectum and anus. Now how do we point that out? See, our large intestine begins from this side. Once the intestine coils up here, it starts, the lumen opens up into the large intestine on our right side. That is why we have the appendix here, the vestigial organ. Okay? So it starts here. So in your palms, now you know where will it start? Here. This is my intestine coiled up in the center of my palm. Then where in my right palm, the large intestine begins from the base of my forefinger, and in the left palm it begins, because this is the right side here in the left palm, this is my right side, in the right palm, this is my right side. Is that clear? Would you all please work it on your palms so that you won't forget it? Please do it on your palms too. Right, do it on your palms, please. Okay. Yeah, on your left palm from here, and on your right palm from here. Here. Right palm here. Left palm here. छोटी उंगली के इधर. हाँ? And right palm in forefinger. Why am I stressing so much on large intestine? Because most of our stomach cramps, colitis, etc. are a result of our poor absorption. Okay? इसीलिए constipation है, diarrhea है, colitis है, या आपके piles अगर किसी के हैं, alright, या anus में burning sensation है. All that is because of poor assimilation. Assimilation माने खाने का इकट्ठा होना, है ना? It has to get back into the bloodstream. अगर वो ठीक से नहीं हुआ है, then this will cause problem. So what do? If suppose there's constipation, so you want the tube to be clear, right? आप चाहते हो tube clear हो, तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप यहाँ से धक्का देंगे इसको ऊपर की तरफ, फिर आप इसको transverse colon, middle of the palm, इधर थोड़ा सा middle के ऊपर, can you all see? इधर पहले आपने यहाँ से ऊपर धक्का दिया, फिर आप इसको लो ले गए, फिर आप नीचे लाए descending colon में, और descending colon यहाँ पर touch करता है. ये आपको ये you can feel the bone over here. है ना?
आप इधर करके फिर से स्क्वायर बनाइए. कहाँ से शुरू करें?
देखिए, यहाँ से शुरू किया. Now suppose this is my right palm. Yeah, that they've shown, right? ये right palm दिखाया है ना? तो आपकी जो forefinger है, इधर से शुरू हुआ. ये देख रहे हैं ये bone आपको यहाँ पे you can feel the jutting bone. उसके base से इधर से आपने ऊपर की तरफ पहले push किया. Just push it upward. Okay, then take it center. यहाँ देख रहे हैं आप? Almost towards these two mounts. Can you see these two mounts? वहाँ तक आप लाए और फिर उसको transverse push किया. फिर आपने नीचे push किया और फिर ये जो हमारा large intestine है, ये curl करता है. And it goes towards the back, right? Curl करके पीछे जाता है. It forms a curve, a crescent. It forms a crescent. और ये crescent फिर जाता है इन दोनों उंगलियों के बीच में, जहाँ हमारा rectum. Do you get it? तो अगर constipation की प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप ये कर सकते हैं बैठे बैठे आराम से. In fact, we've had superb results. All right. And then what can you do? You have flaxseed.